2010 Mitsubishi Outlander, spare tire removal with tailgate closed. Why would you want to do this? Well, if you've owned one of these cars, you know that sometimes the tailgate latch doesn't work and breaks. So here we go with the video. If your tailgate is stuck shut because your latch is broken and you can't afford $1 million to fix it, and you need to get to your spare tire, here is how you do it. Spare tires under here. You could probably see other videos. Normally, you go inside the car and inside the car you can unscrew the other end of this bolt right here. But we can't do that because the tailgate is stuck closed. So what I figured out is you go over here and give you a wider shot. Sorry about the video, but you go over here and there's this hinge right here, and it had a different style pin in it, but when I pulled it out I lost it because I got so excited that I was able to do this. So I'm just got a cotter key in there now, which obviously I would bend the cotter key over, you know, for permanent storage, but for showing this video, so you pull this out, okay, or you pull the pin out that's in there, and you get some light on it, hang on, then you go like this, and it pops out, and the tire just comes on down, like so. Now the tire just swings on down that way. You can pull your tire out of there, say hello to the Black Widow spiders that are up there. They're just living their life. Anyway, so put it back up. Put it back up. Kind of the same way. Like that. And you'll need to secure it with some kind of pin, either the original one that it came out with, or you can get a cotter pin like this. Just bend it over, you know, bend it so it doesn't come out of there when you're driving. That's it. That's the alternative. Removing spare tire without opening the tailgate. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hope this works for you.